I am Mundano, a Brazilian activist living in São Paulo, and my last project is, in Portuguese, Cinzas da Floresta, like forest ashes. The project is a 1,000 square meter mural in the heart of São Paulo using the ashes of the Amazon, Pantanal, and other biomes. We took a long trip, over 10,000 kilometers, in this research, looking for the fires, looking for the ashes, collecting this evidence of crimes, because 99% of the fires that start is man-made. The idea is not only a protest, a huge scream saying that we don't have more time, we are also becoming ashes, not only the forest, because we are also nature. The idea is also to honor the firefighters that put their lives in danger to stop the fire. The motivation starts when I saw the forests in Brazil turning into ashes, and the people was accepting this as normal. In the last 2 years, we have new records. 30% of the entire Pantanal was burnt in 1 year. We are facing crazy challenge, climate emergency, all this water crisis, all of this. So we need to scream louder. I believe that art with activism is so powerful. This activism can make people stop a little their busy life and check something new. So my tips is try to do something different. Create a new narrative around the same problem that we are facing every day. So people and the media will give the attention. So we need to stop this crazy consumption. We need to fight for our rights because the time is ending and we are all becoming ashes like the forests.